Go.
First section of the boys, 4x800 here. 4A here, Florida State champs.
Saw some fast races at the first section of the girls 4x800 and the boys.
Brake line on the inside.
So I think, was it the top time in the state? 7:45?
Yeah, 7:45, 7:46 from Flagler. We'll be in the first section.
So next section should be fast, 7:45, 7:46. We got some teams that'll be battling. Yesterday we saw 7:49 from 3A. That was Wharton.
That's Miami Central out front. Dillard, Park Vista, and Countryside.
So Miami Central, Villa, Park Central.
Miami Southridge and Venice.
Miami Central used to have some sweet battles with the Jefferson twins, Delray Atlantic.
It's Miami Central out front.
Coach Thomas. Coach Thomas.
Dillard.
Hey, Coach Thomas up high.
Countryside now making a move on.
Countryside making a good move and trying to push for second.
All-Americans.
Miami Central about 15 meters right now on the rest of the field.
And now Norland making a move on the outside.
Norland pushing up front there.
Miami Central.
Miami Central's going to hand off in the lead, but not too far behind. 156, 157 low. Those first legs.
And Venice.
Great leadoffs there.
Clean handoff.
Miami Central taking off. Open that gap up this first 200 meters here. See second and third, or excuse me, third and fourth right off the back. And it is warm. Sun is bright. Let's see here.
Miami Central out front, followed by Norland, Countryside, and Dillard. Your top four.
So Miami Central, Norland, Countryside,
Second four, Southridge.
and then it looks like Dillard.
Park Vista, John I. Leonard, and Venice.
So we rolled through to about 57, and he's getting caught now. Remember, 157 they were through the first exchange.
Miami Central out front, but now they have company with Norland.
Norland trying to make their way back up to Miami Central.
And Dillard.
Countryside and Dillard making their way up too.
Go to the exchange.
Gap between the first four is closing, but Miami Central now is opening it up. Right as I say, the gap's closing, they start opening it.
Making a move off the turn, Miami Southridge and John I. Leonard. Here comes Countryside up for second.
So here we go.
It's
355, that's about a 158. They're 359 at the exchange. 402, 403, 404, 405. And across the track, you see Miami Central still in the lead.
Second call for your triple jumpers, boys.
So Central, and as we'll pan in here, we'll see second place. Countryside had made a big push almost into second, and now they're fading back into fourth and now fifth. Norland, though, still holding on to that second spot. Pretty strong.
Countryside.
Miami Central blasting this first lap, though. It's running kind of tight up top. Let's see if he can hold on this lap. That was about a 54. I mean, excuse me, 56. So you see the first 5 in the screen right there. Now 6.
Miami Central up front. And now the field.
Let's see, Miami Central tying up here. And Norland taking advantage of that. He's closing quick. We're going to have to see if Miami Central has anything to answer this move. You know his team just waiting over there, saying, please hang on, I don't want to be behind. Norland, though, taking off Miami Central. Can they even hold on to second?
Miami Norland takes the lead. Miami Central, and here comes Countryside.
Countryside keeps surging this last 100 meters, every leg they have, and they're making their way back up into third. And they're going to try and push for second in front of Miami Central. Norland, though, with a great last 300 meters this leg, pulling his team well in the lead. 5:57, so he's under 2 minutes. And now Countryside hands off in second. Miami Central had the lead through what, almost 6 laps of this 8-lap race. Now back in third. See Norland now. Well in the lead. Countryside, Miami Central there, and second and third. Last team about to make the exchange.
It's Miami Norland out front as they come down for the bell lap.
So 500 meters to go. Anyone's going to get up there with Miami
We
Norland.
have a race for second with Countryside and Miami Central.
So you hear the announcer. Dillard making its way up, creeping in fourth, trying to get up with the 2 and 3 teams. So that was about a 57. So the battle's going to be for second, it looks like. Miami Norland in first here. Central, Countryside, Dillard, 1 through 4. Remember, this is the first heat. We're probably going to see some sub-8 marks here. Pretty good times for the first heat. The guys in the second heat, you got to pay attention. They got to know where they need to be. Norland, 200 to go. He's got to run 31 to break 8 minutes.
And here comes Miami.
Be a pretty good time for the first section. Miami Central, Countryside, trying to close this gap here.
It's Norland.
If they could catch it, this would be a big, big last 100 meters. Norland trying to hold on. Even Dillard's right there. Look at this. Norland definitely tying up. I don't know if he knows they're this close. Countryside, like they have on all their legs, surging this last 100 meters. Will Countryside get it? Yes! 8:01. Just over 8 minutes. Countryside taking the first heat. Making it exciting. Man. 8:01. 8:01.99 was second. 8:02.67 was third. Yo. Man, Countryside.
Yeah.
Whew.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention to our infield and our